everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Navirusithansworld. Today we are going to make a house. I'm in the kitchen now. You might have already guessed what this episode is about. Cooking. And in the future I will tell you what I'm cooking. Let's see the ingredients first. Cumin seeds, cardamom, fennel seeds, clove, nutmeg shell, bay leaves and some cinnamon. Here's some salt and oil, and then here's some pepper, turmeric powder and saffron. Here's a big tomato then, and also these cherry tomatoes. I love the taste and their flavor, so I'm using this. And then this is some red onion. And then here we have some lemons, garlic and ginger. Then over here we have mint and coriander. And then here we have the chicken. With all of these ingredients, what do you think we're gonna make? Well, making an Arabian dish is most common in Arabia, and it's none other than whole chicken Mandi rice. Wow, that sounds so nice. Now let's get into action. As usual, when I always mix things like biryani, I'm going to grind this to make them into a powder. I'm going to grind my pepper and my saffron. Oops. I think it's grinded to what I require now. So let me add some salt into this oil. And then after this we need to add the turmeric powder. Then after this we have to add the powder we grinded earlier to make this a special thing. We should now mix this. You could add some chili powder if you want to enhance the taste, into a single jelly-like powder. Now the mixture is ready. Let's move on to the next step. I've got my chicken cut like this. So basically we're going to add and we're going to scrub this onto the chicken extremely finely. Sorry, Mr. or Mrs. Chicken, whoever you are, I'm coating this and I'm not going to eat you. I'm just making this for the people who like whole chicken meat, not me. Whether you're Mr. Chicken or Mrs. Chicken, I don't know. But I'm giving you a spicy bath, and in a few minutes you'll be in the oven, heating up. Before starting, we have to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Cooking process on. We're first going to add some spices. And then some of these. And then these. Some mint and coriander, and we're now going to add the garlic and ginger. The garlic doesn't have the peel on, and then normally people have dried lemons, but since I don't have any dried lemons, I'm adding fresh lemons. Here comes the hero of the day, the chicken. You might be asking, where's the chicken? Well, we're going to place the chicken on top of this, and we're going to add to waste the extra spices, so I'm just going to add it on the chicken again. And the chicken is ready for roasting. Let me just place one lemon here and another lemon here. And then after this, I'm going to add some water. I think this amount of water is enough. Let's roast. I'm going to close this with aluminium foil. Sealing this aluminium foil now. We finished packing this with tin foil, aluminium foil. So we're going to put it in the oven. Let it cook for at least 1.5 hours, slow cook.
A few moments later.
We're going to wash this rice 2 to 3 times. We preserve this water as soap so I can put it to my plants and make them grow better. I'm letting the running water go in here so I can take off any extra dust or something. Now that it has no clear and has no dust, we're going to let it sit for 20 minutes. In the meantime, I have chopped onions and garlic to proceed with the next step. So I added some ghee onto a pan to let it melt because I like that flavor in my Mendy. Now I'll turn the stove on. My ghee is melted now, and it's the perfect time to add the onions. I'm going to whisk this until it comes to a brownish color. This is the perfect timing. Now we're going to put our garlic inside and whisk it. I wish you were here to smell this amazing flavor. The amazing flavor coming from the Mandhi and the flavor coming from the caramelized onions. That's very good smell. When the garlic's added, is a different level. This is the perfect timing to turn off the stove, and this is the brown I was expected. For our next step, we're adding the coriander, mint, 4 green chilies, bay leaves. It's been 2 hours ever since this chicken was in here, and then now it's perfect timing to take it out. I can only open the oven and I can't take it because I need Edward's help. This is what it's like. Very, very hot. Let's see what the chicken looks like. Yeah, I'm opening. Look at this. Look at this. How tender the chicken has been cooked. At the minute, we need to get a strainer and strain all of these except the juice out. We have finally strained everything. This is how it's meant to be strained and extracted the juice. let's leave it the other side. Now the rice has been soaked for 20 minutes, so we're going to add the rice. We're adding 4 cups of the stock. Okay, it's too hot. I'm going to add this amount of salt onto here. I need to add on the rice, but the chicken stocks already had salt. Now I'm adding these ingredients: mint, coriander, green chili, and some spices. Now I'm adding the caramelized onion and garlic. Just stir this so it's mixed evenly everywhere. Finally, our hero, Mr. or Mrs. Chicken, went inside here. And we wrap it again with the foil. Now it's time for the chicken to make its trip again. Let's leave this for another 45 minutes and I'll check on it 45 minutes later. I think it's done now. I think it's going to be tasting time. I think it's been well cooked. Let's open to find out. Let's see. Let's open and see, everyone. It's kind of hot. Look at the chicken, it's tenderly cooked. Look at the rice. No water chunks. It's perfectly done. Now let's see each other at the dining table. We arrived at the table. Look at how wonderful the rice is, long and good. Look at the chicken. The bone just comes out very easily. That's how good it's cooked. And the skin's also very crispy. I think my mom will enjoy a lot. I invite my mom to join in the feast for dinner. Welcome, Mom. Can you tell me how it tastes like? Look at how good the chicken comes out. You can just bite it off. Look at how soft, tender, and juicy the meat is.
This is one of the best mandi I ever tasted. Thank you so much, my son, for making this wonderful dinner for me. Thank you so much. You are such a wonderful boy.
It's okay, Ukka. At least save it for a few more days.
Thank you so much.
Bye, everyone. Turns out my mom gave a very good review of the Mendy rice. So if you like to try this at home as well, so you can try it at home as well. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe in order to support me. And stay tuned for the next amazing video. Bye. Thanks for watching.